Small guy, now small guy, I that so. Can you join for cancel? Small guy, every time, can you take do this? Can you take do that? Hmm? Can you take? I want to clean everywhere before my dad go come. I want to clean everything. I know people will allow my dad know they like me everywhere they dirty. And yet, small guy, they go dirty everywhere. And the school bag when they carry come, go there everywhere. And if my dad just come from work like this, he see everywhere, school bag everywhere. My dad go just bust. Go just bust. You know what my dad go face? I can't take. Not go tell them who can't put school box. I can't take. Only Oga. Oga no, sometimes Oga no go even talk. Oga go just call the children. Oh yeah, come. I did it. I ain't even sing that English. But say, oh yeah, go call my dad, small madam name. Go call small Oga. Come and pick it up to your room right now. Na so Oga they talk amo. Oh, Oga na good man. I will use my big nash. Try to collect Oga. Oga no they look my face at all. I not on this light. I don't on now. Yeah, I need to sleep. Small against mama dance. They gonna put daddy for everywhere. Don't put daddy for everywhere. And I take a clean them up. I'm gonna support the guy in there. I'm gonna support that so that I go quickly this e-job. I'm gonna support the guy in, okay? I'm gonna support the guy in so that I could quickly leave this maid. I don't carry so. Maybe I tell mom. I tell her, today we're all done. Now she say this work too much for me. I say, can you like tell my dad? I will tell my dad making carry people when they clean house. I'll let me you rest. That they are happy where. My dad go they happy. My dad go say, can you take? Not be paid at the pay. Now on too much. That's why I tell by my nyash for God daddy. I don't even see me at all. If we never give up, we'll still going on. We're trying. We're trying. Maybe we'll be like this. I gotta go sit down there, they watch Chelsea match. Yeah. If I set my nose, give a guy like this, a guy not go feel resistance. Trust me. I don't be bad though. I don't be bad man though. I don't be bad ass girl. And my dad cousin. My dad know they treat me well. My dad know they treat me well at all. My dad don't get respect for me. I not be made to say no me say make I not get respect. Yeah? Yeah. So my dad, na him the cousin. If I feel be madam, I don't want to be any mother elsewhere. I want to be mother in this house. So that madam will know, say, if I ain't there, you know, they play with this plant. If I handle hunger for them, oh, if I ain't say don't try you. I don't say madam not go still appreciate. Only hunger. Only hunger go say, if I ain't there, you did a very, very great job. Great job, yeah. You don't clean this whole house. Don't clean up. You don't clean the whole house. Even go into the dining table, we don't clean up.